Hello everyone. Today what we are going to do is very important to learn because we often use it, and that is adjective clause. Like we already know that adjective modify nouns. For example, he's a good boy. Good is an adjective that modifies boy. I'm a hardworking employee. What's the adjective here? And also find an adjective in another sentence given on the same page. Leon is a professional baseball player. This was all about adjectives. Now let's talk about adjective clauses. So the function of an adjective clause is the same as an adjective. Let's understand with the same example. In the first step, we simply have two sentences. He is a student. He always fails his tests. Now focus on the second sentence. If I say, this student always fails his tests, and I can also say, he always fails his tests. So he refers to the student. Now we'll replace the word he with who. If I add who, the sentence will be, he's a student who always fails his tests. So this is all about adjective clause. Can you make another sentence similar to the one above? So who can be used to replace people? Again, two sentences are given to join. So the first one is, I'm a teacher and I teach at a university. If I add who here, the sentence is, I'm a teacher who teaches at a university. Or, I don't like my boss who likes to blame me for his problems. So remember, it replaces people. Can you talk about a person you know and tell us more about this person using an adjective clause that starts with who? Here we have some sentences you need to practice using who. Now comes which. Which can be used to replace animals or things. Let's look at the first example. I don't have time to deal with this problem. This problem is actually none of my business. If we combine these two sentences and use which, the sentence would be, I don't have time to deal with this problem, which is actually none of my business. You can have a look at another one. My pen, which was lying on my desk, is gone. We simply add two sentences and used which. Can you talk about something that has sentimental value to you and give more details using an adjective clause that starts with which? Sentimental value is something that you have and has special meaning to you. If you lost it, you would be so sad. For example, the family picture has a sentimental value for me. So now it's your turn to combine the following sets of sentences together. Lastly, we have that, which is used to replace people, animals, or things. In other words, instead of using who and which, you can use that. For example, I finished the report that my boss wanted early. Now you talk about anything you want this time and be sure to give more details about it. And don't forget to use the adjective clause that. Here are some sentences you need to combine using that. And also answer these questions using adjective clauses. Talk about one of your family member using who, and talk about something which is so special. If you lost it, you would be very sad. Thank you.